Welcome to VLearn. This is session number 1 on software project management. In this session, we are going to cover the topic the management spectrum, type of organization structure, roles in the software development. Now, before to start with the software project management, I would like to tell you about what is the use of software project management. Software, as you know, that is the not tangible thing which are going to create by the developer, and there is a process to create from the beginning to end. So the process from beginning to end manage the software. In this subject we are going to learn how the software is to manage from the beginning to end state. So this is the management spectrum of the software. Here is the effective software project management focus on the 5 P's. On the 5 P's, there is first the people, the product, the process, the player, and the project. First, the people. The people is the factor very important in software engineering because it basically develop the software and they also manage also. So in this model, in this the people role are the recruiting, selection, performance management, training, compensation, career development, organization and work design, and team culture development. बेसिकली रिक्रूटिंग इज दैट द जब हम कोई भी टास्क स्टार्ट करते हैं सबसे पहले पीपल्स को हम रिक्रूट करते हैं. व्हेन दे आर इन रिक्रूटिंग दे सिलेक्ट द पीपल. आफ्टर दैट वी सिलेक्ट द पीपल दोज आर एलिजिबल एंड अंडर द क्राइटेरिया फॉर वर्क. And after the selection with the performance management see the work how they efficiently work or not. If they are not doing they are not able to work efficiently, then they provide the training. And there was the next step is the training. In the training they learn how we can do the work, and after there is the compensation is the manage where they compromise the according can be work and the salary anything can be where the compensation is required. And the career development. In career development is obviously when some peoples are on working and any project they get by experience. Also the career is also developed. And after that is their organization and work design. Organization and work design, they work according to the organization rule and the conduct and get the work. And the team also that is team culture development in which they work in the team and to manage the task. After that there is the product. In the product is before a project can be planned, the product is objective to scope should be considered and technical and management constraints should be identified. So without this information it is impossible to define reasonable estimate of the cost and effective assessment of the risk. The software developer and customer must meet to define product, objective and scope. So here the product is the main thing that is very necessary. क्योंकि जब भी आप कुछ भी वर्क करना स्टार्ट करते हैं ज़रूरी होता है कि पहले आपको पता हो कि आप क्या बनाने जाएंगे. उससे पहले आपको पूरी प्लानिंग करनी होती है कि आप क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे, उसको कितना एफिशिएंट होगा या नहीं होगा, उसको कितनी हमारी कॉस्ट लगेगी. तो दिस आर द थिंग रिक्वायर्ड टू फर्स्ट प्लान व्हाट इज टू बी आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव. And then is the process. The software process that provide a framework from which a comprehensive plan for software development can be established. Because framework is that tool through which you start your work. Like you do the developing. जैसे हम कोई developing करते हैं किसी लैंग्वेज को लेकर तो उसके लिए हमें वो जो टूल्स चाहिए होते हैं जिसके बाद हम वर्क करते हैं is the framework through which you through which you start the work. So this is finally the umbrella activities such as the quality assurance, software configuration management and measurement overlay the process model. So next is the software development process is concerned primarily with the production aspect of software development as opposed to the technical aspect. ये सेंटेंस हमें जो कह रहे हैं इसमें ये है कि जो सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट जो प्रोसेस होता है हमारा स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक, इसके अंदर जो हम प्रोडक्ट डेवलप कर रहे हैं सॉफ्टवेयर में that is the main also opposed to technical aspect. What technique we are going to use is also the main thing that is need to consider. This all in the process which is required to first condition to be planned, that what in the processing we have to do. And next is the players. Players are the person which are involved in developing the software. Here are the players are senior manager, project manager, customers and users and practitioners. What is here senior manager role? Senior manager, they define the business issues that often have significant influence on the project. द सीनियर मैनेजर, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सीनियर मैनेजर्स पूरे टास्क जो आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, डिफाइन करते हैं कि हमें क्या वर्क अचीव करना है, पूरा वर्क से रिलेटेड वो डिफाइन करते हैं, बताते हैं, और उनके अंडर में कुछ और मैनेजर्स होते हैं. दे आर द कैटेगराइज अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वर्क. लाइक प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर्स. Project manager, what to do? They must plan, motivate, organize and control the practitioners who do the software work. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हर डिपार्टमेंट में हमारे अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स के ऊपर एक मैनेजर आ जाता है, उसके अंडर में कुछ एम्प्लॉयज होते हैं जो वर्क करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैनेजर. तो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर यहाँ पे टास्क असाइन करता है, उनकी जो भी उनको मोटिवेट करता है एंड टाइमली टू चेक द वर्क व्हाट आर दे डन. And after that is their customer. Customer, they specify the requirement for software to be engineered. Customer, जो हमें बताते हैं कि हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें जो कस्टमर्स के लिए हम वर्क कर रहे हैं जो उनको सेटिस्फाई करे, उनके फुलफिल नीड्स को फुलफिल कर सके. So they specify the requirement what they need. According to that we develop for the software to be engineered, and according to the need the employees of under the project management they work according to that. And the end users are what? They interact with software once it is released for production. जैसे कि हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एम्प्लॉयज ने मिलकर कोई सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप किया, दैट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द कस्टमर नीड, बट बिफोर टू रिलीज इन द मार्केट दे ट्राई टू यूज इट वेदर इट्स वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट. अगर वो सॉफ्टवेयर प्रॉपर वर्क नहीं करे तो कस्टमर पे सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं होता एंड इट विल गॉट वेरी बैड इम्पैक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ कस्टमर. सो एंड यूजर are the in the environment of organization they try to check whether the software is working exactly correct and according to the need of customer or not. And the practitioner they deliver the technical skills that are necessary to engineer a product or application. एज यू नो हमारे जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है अलग अलग टीम पे अलग अलग वर्क करते हैं, जैसे कि कुछ टेक्निकल पे करते हैं, कुछ डेवलपिंग पे करते हैं. तो व्हाट बिकॉज दे आर प्रैक्टिस अकॉर्डिंग टू द डोमेन देन दे वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द टास्क. सो द प्रैक्टिशनर आर दे डिलीवर द टेक्निकल स्किल्स दैट आर नेसेसरी फॉर अ इंजीनियर और प्रोडक्ट फॉर एप्लीकेशन. नेक्स्ट इज द प्रोजेक्ट. Obviously these tasks are done for a particular project. The project is a collection of tasks handled in a planned and systematic order. Like say a team or one or more person working from a few week and a particular target of to achieve the project that is to be delivered to the customer. So their requirement might be communicated in a note or even verbally. That was in the project. This was our 5 P's role in the management. Now there is a type of organizational structure. The type of organizational structure are the hierarchical organizational structure, flat organizational structure, matrix organizational structure and network organizational structure. In the hierarchical organizational structure, it is based on the concept of division of labor. Division of labor means एक टास्क को हम स्मॉल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके अलग पर्सन को अलॉट कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि आपको बताया प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, कोई एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, तो ये सॉफ्टवेयर को हम पूरे एक पर्सन डेवलप नहीं करता. लाइक डिजाइनिंग का वर्क अलग है, कोडिंग का अलग है, टेस्टिंग का अलग है. तो दैट इज डिविजन ऑफ द लेबर. The key decisions are made at top and filtered down through the organization. जैसे कि जानते हैं सीनियर मैनेजर्स स्टाफ्स को साइन करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, देन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर टाइज करते हैं द एम्प्लॉयज, देन दे वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. सो दिस इज अ फिल्टर फ्रॉम द टॉप टू डाउन. जो भी कमियां होती हैं हमारे पहले प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर रिमूव करते हैं एंड प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर्स की जो कमियां होती हैं दैट इज रिमूव बाय द सीनियर मैनेजर्स. So this kind of filters apply on the work. Then there is the middle manager, do the primary information processing and communication function. Middle manager, they work between the top managers and the bottom one of the employee who are working. So the middle manager are the primary function because जो जैसे प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर के अंडर में जो एम्प्लॉय वर्क कर रहे हैं, दे कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली लिंक विद द टॉप मैनेजर. They set the problems, they can identify the problems to the manager, project manager, and this project manager can handle them at on level, or either they can send the information to the top manager. So this is the middle manager, do the primary information processing and communication function. This is the structure of the hierarchy organization that I said. The top one is the senior manager and the bottom one is the below they are working are the different project manager, and this hierarchy one, this is linked with the below, these are the employee working under this manager. So this is the hierarchy. Not all not these three are linking with below three, only one this manager in link with the three employee this. So these three employee cannot directly link with this top one manager. So this is the middle one through which they can link. This employee can link with this middle one, and this middle one can link with the top one. This is the hierarchical organization structure. Next is the flat organization structure. In the flat organization structure, this is the decision making is centralized, as everyone does whatever need to be done. They can respond quickly to dynamic uncertain environment. फ्लैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या है, एक सेंट्रल कंट्रोल की तरह होता है. लाइक देयर इज द वन मैनेजर एंड अंडर देयर आर द एम्प्लॉय. दे कैन डायरेक्टली लिंकिंग विद देयर मैनेजर. उसके ऊपर कोई टॉप मैनेजर नहीं है जिससे उनको लिंक करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है. ओनली वन मैनेजर एंड अंडर देयर आर द एम्प्लॉय दे वर्किंग. जैसे कि इसका स्ट्रक्चर आप देख सकते हैं. इसमें आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे एक ही मैनेजर है और उसके अंडर में ये एम्प्लॉयज वर्क कर रहे हैं. तो देयर इज नॉट फर्दर मोर टॉप मैनेजर, दे आर रिक्वायर्ड टू गो टू लिंक विद देम. So what was there? Decision making is centralized. What decision is to be taken, that is only by him, and the under this employee have to achieve it. And if anyone have any problem, they can directly discuss with their manager. So everyone can does whatever need to be done. They can respond quickly and dynamic uncertain environment. This organization structure often becomes less flexible as the organization grow. But as the number of employees grow here, increase here, so very difficult to manage only one manager to everyone at a one time. It cannot handle many number of employee. This is efficient if there is very less number of employee, otherwise it will difficult to manage. This was the flat organizational structure. After that is the matrix organization structure. In the matrix organization structure, this is typically assigned worker with two or more supervisor in an effort to make sure multiple dimensions of business are integrated. And the matrix organization often fail to enable manager to achieve their business strategies. Basically in the matrix structure format, you see it is kind of like this table format where is the row and column can be made here, and here can say multiple region you can say, and then the industry level you can say suppose here. So efficiently the region we can match here data according to the region and industry and easily identify the work in this matrix organization structure. Next is the network organizational structure. In the network organization structure, the rigid hierarchies are replaced by formal and informal communication network that connect all part of the companies. जैसे कि आपको अभी हायरार्किकल फॉर्मेट आपको दिखाया था जिससे हमारे टॉप टू बॉटम में लिंक होता है. सिमिलरली हमारे नेटवर्क में मोर देन नेटवर्क डाटा कनेक्ट होते हैं, सिस्टम कनेक्ट होते हैं. दे कैन बी कम्युनिकेट देयर डाटा, दे कैन सेंड देयर डाटा एंड दे कैन कम्युनिकेट बाय देयर फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल वे, and they defined by their ability to promote creativity and flexibility while maintaining operational process control. So and the extensive use of communication technology and network also make it easier to coordinate across functional boundaries. जैसे आप जानते हैं नेटवर्क हमारे बहुत सारे एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस में बैठ के आप इजिली कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स एंड इजिली कैन कम्युनिकेट वट एवर द प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. दे कैन इजिली कोऑर्डिनेट according their function boundaries. Next is the job roles in software development. सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप जब करते हैं आपका किसी एक पर्सन के पूरा टास्क नहीं होता, जैसे हम क्या सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करना है इसके लिए अलग अलग पर्सन होते हैं टू रोल देयर वर्क अकॉर्डिंग फॉर द सॉफ्टवेयर. Like there is the middle management leadership, team leader, product manager, logistic, software development, software testing, user documentation, user education, software supports. Let's see first from the beginning what is the job role of the middle management leadership. It manages people, resources and budget, oversees and provide vision to the several major projects simultaneously. That can be reviewed by the employee in other position and work with the management leader and to interact with their project. And the next team leader role is to manage people, resources and timeliness for one major project or several minor projects that act as a central point of contact on those projects involved or aware of virtually every issue on decision in the project. That is, I told you, like a team leader is the like project manager that can manage all this work easily, to manage people, employ, they motivate and all this work under the team leader. Then is the product management. Product management to work with client to define requirement and resolve issue. There the project management is the main above the team leader that manage with the client and to define the requirement and resolve the whatever issues to be created by the employee. Then they design and maintain functional specification and other documentation also, that often provide prototype for user interface or design interface for the services. Next is the logistic. Logistics is the managed software and hardware requirement. Logistics can be something logical you are thinking, like software that is untangible and how to work on it. So this is to be managed by the logistic. They manage the hardware software requirement for development, testing, validation and production environment. They perform oversees the installation, how to install. They own the installation process and the installation utilities. And this was the work done at the logistic level. And next is the software development. Software development is the programming that is developed by the programming is their work under the software development are design and code the software to match the specification, prototype and their documentation. जैसे कि आप उधर डेवलपमेंट में हमारे प्रोसेस आते हैं डिजाइनिंग, कोडिंग, टेस्टिंग. तो लाइक दिस इज द वर्क इन द सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट इज डिजाइन एंड कोड that check whether the work is according to done or not, and documentation also be prepared here. They define the timeliness, work, product management to define the expectation and clarify the requirement. Next is the software testing. Software testing, when after development is required testing, कुछ भी कमियां जैसी होती हैं वो जिसने डेवलप किया होता है कभी वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकता कि उसने क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसकी डेवलपिंग में, क्या उसने डेवलप करने में क्या मिस्टेक्स किए. दैट कैन नॉट बी आइडेंटिफाई बाय द डेवलपर. तो इसके लिए कुछ अलग पर्सन होते हैं जो कमियों को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, जो एरर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और इससे क्वालिटी इंप्रूव करते हैं. तो सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग दैट डिफाइन टेस्टिंग प्रोसीजर एंड certification process that define timeliness and create the execution test on the software. Next is the user documentation. The user documentation that create and maintain user centric documentation. आप जैसे कि हमारे डेवलपमेंट में जो भी स्टेजेस होते हैं, डिजाइनिंग, कोडिंग, दिस आर एवरी स्टेजेस नीड टू मेंटेन डॉक्यूमेंट. आप क्या डेवलप कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं, उसकी डिजाइनिंग के भी कौन सा सिंबल बनाया लगाया है, क्यों लगाया, हर चीज के एक डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिपेयर किए जाते हैं ताकि हम बाद में इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकें कि ये क्यों बनाया गया है. एंड देन इज द यूजर एजुकेशन. दैट इज द ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू द एजुकेशन. जैसे कि स्टार्टिंग में आपको बताया था रिक्रूटमेंट के बाद हम देखते हैं परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ वर्कर, हाउ मच इज द नॉलेज टू अकॉर्डिंग द टास्क. इफ देयर इज समथिंग लैकिंग दे प्रोवाइड द ट्रेनिंग and the work then efficiently on the according to work. And the software support that defines support procedure and handle the user issue, and they provide the resolution or formulate the work around for the software issue. That was all for in this session. This is the exercise then you can try by yourself, is explain the IT and its organization structure in detail. differentiate between difference of the organization structure. Thank you.